Hey there guys, it's Kim George from YourChicGeek.com, and I want to welcome you to another video where I'm going to be revealing my passive income streams. So before we get off into this video, I'd love for you guys to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I'm super excited about this video, and I kind of figured, you know what, this is a good time to kind of sit down and challenge myself actually to make a list of just all of the different passive income streams that I currently have working for me at this time. So, one of the things that I emphasize on this channel is having multiple streams of income, and I know that you guys have probably been seeing a lot of KDP videos from me, but I just want to let you know that KDP is just one of the income streams that I do have. But let's go ahead and let's dive into the complete list, and let's talk about some of the other things that I have going on for passive income. And hopefully this video will inspire you to kind of come up with some other creative ways that you can add extra revenue and passive income streams into your life. So let's go ahead and start with the list. Okay, so coming in at number one is going to be Amazon KDP. And you guys know, again, I have tons of video tutorials on here about, how to create different journals, planners. I just did one of those videos here recently, notebooks, things like that you can upload to the Amazon Kindle Direct publishing platform. And so this has been one of those income streams that I have really come to love. And I didn't really know that this world even existed until around earlier last year, when I was looking for a way to kind of fuse my love for DIY design with having someone do all of the fulfillment for me as far as shipping everything out and all of that kinds of stuff, because I didn't really want to do it. I just didn't. And so Amazon KDP for me is definitely a great passive income stream, but it's just a lot of fun, and it's a great way to make some extra income passively, meaning that once you upload the book, Amazon is going to do everything else. Okay, so that is number one. So coming in at number two for passive income streams is going to be YouTube ad revenue, and this comes through the YouTube Partner Program. So I know that for those of you that are not familiar with the YouTube Partner Program, how it works is that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours in order to qualify for YouTube's partner program. So what happens is that once you qualify and you meet all of the criteria, YouTube is going to start serving ads and putting advertisements on your videos. So you guys have probably seen these come up when you're watching my videos. You'll see an ad pop up midway into the video, another ad will pop up, and so on and so forth. So that is basically what this is. So YouTube is just serving those ads, and you will get paid based off of the ads that they serve. Now, how much you make with the YouTube Partner Program can definitely vary. It varies on topic. It varies by what's called the RPM, and some of the other there's another calculation, I can't think of it off the top of my head, but there's some other variables that will kind of determine how much you can make. So it really is all over the map, but there are some people that are doing very, very well and that are making quite a bit of money from the YouTube Partner Program. I can tell you guys, hands down, YouTube has been a game changer for me, in the fact that I don't have to spend any money too much on advertisements. I get to meet all of you good folks and network with you guys, and just teach and hopefully inspire and all of that good stuff. And so it's really been another phenomenal revenue stream to have. Okay, so coming in at number three is going to be affiliate marketing. So you guys have probably heard of affiliate marketing, but if you haven't, affiliate marketing is where you just basically sign up to an affiliate program and you get a special link to that program. And with that special link, what happens is that when someone clicks to purchase a specific program that you're marketing or that you are signed up as an affiliate for, you will get a small commission for that sale. Okay, so coming in number four is going to be niche websites. So for those of you that are probably new to me, I have been online for a long time, guys. I've been online since probably 2012, 11-ish. So your girl has been on here for quite a while. And so I have had the opportunity, and I've spent a lot of money on some sites that I had to kind of let go, and some of them I still do have active. So I do have a couple of niche niche websites that I have that are running that do bring in ad revenue, and then also where I'm able to sell certain digital products through those sites that people can come in and buy. All right, so coming in at number 5 is going to be my online shop. So you guys have probably visited or heard me mention that, hey, I have a shop, and it is a great way to to earn extra revenue online. And you guys know that I use PayHip. PayHip is the e-commerce, not even the e-commerce, but yeah, you can say it's an e-commerce platform, or a platform that you can use to sell digital products from. And so I've been using PayHip for probably the last 2 or 3 years, and I just didn't really realize how powerful it was, specifically for what it is that I do. So over on my shop, I have all kinds of templates, I have covers, I have graphics, I have all kinds of stuff that are available to folks that may be struggling with, interiors, or designing interiors for KDP, or creating covers for KDP, or creating graphics to do specific things, and so on and so forth. So my online shop is set up, and it's basically works on its own, so that whenever somebody comes through and they see something that they like, they can go in, they can make a purchase, and PayHip is going to deliver all of the products that they decide to purchase directly to them, and it's all passive. Okay, so number 6 is going to be stocks and investments. So and crypto. So I have a small-ish kind of stock portfolio, and I've been investing in stocks for quite a while now. I think, oh my gosh, for some years. And so I actually have a couple of portfolios with different brokerages. A couple are with online brokerages. So I know you probably, some of you guys are probably going to boo me on this, but I do have some stocks that are over in Robinhood, which I know a lot of people kind of consider it to be Robin the Hood. I do have some stocks over on Robinhood. I also have crypto, which crypto is something that my boyfriend could really get into because he's all into that. But I do have some crypto, which is kind of like more of a virtual kind of currency. So that is number 6. Now, coming in at number 7, I think I'm at number 7. Yeah, number 7, and this is something that I have not gotten into yet, but I am working to get into this, and that is going to be owning some rental properties. Yes. So one of the things that I cannot wait to get into more is going to be rental property ownership. So rental properties is another way to make passive income. You basically you go buy your properties, you put a little work into them to kind of fix them up and make them look decent, make them look nice. You rent them out, and you're getting that money coming in every month. And so that for me is going to be the next goal, and that's going to be to add some rental properties to my passive income portfolio. So guys, that pretty much wraps up all of the passive income streams that I kind of have working for me. I hope that you guys got something out of the video and you feel inspired in some way to kind of maybe look into some of these revenue streams that you can take on and do yourself to get more passive income coming in to help you with whatever financial goals that you have. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.